In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image optimization in Base44. We'll walk through a simple, practical way to set up an optimized image block, so your images load faster and look better without you needing any advanced technical knowledge. I'll guide you step by step, and you can follow along inside your own Base44 editor. First, open your project in the Base44 editor. Once you're in the editor view of the page or screen you want to work on, look for the area where you'd like to place your image. This might be inside a section, a column, or a specific content block. When you hover your mouse around that area, you should see a small plus icon appear. This plus sign is what you'll use to add a new element. Go ahead and click on the plus sign. When you do, Base44 will show you a list of components or blocks that you can add. Depending on your layout, you might see options like text, buttons, images, or other custom blocks. Here, you'll want to choose the image-related option that's designed for optimized images, or simply select the image block if that's what's available. The idea is that by adding an image through this controlled component, Base44 can handle optimization in the background, such as resizing or adjusting the format for different devices. Once you have added the image block, you'll usually see a panel or a placeholder asking for some details. This is where you should type in a clear description of where the image will appear and what it should contain. For example, you might write something like, hero banner image for the homepage showing our main product, or thumbnail image for the blog article about performance tips. This short description is very important. It helps you and your team keep track of what each image is meant to do, and it also often doubles as alt text or documentation for accessibility and SEO. Try to be specific and avoid just typing something generic like image or picture. Think about what the image shows, where it lives on the page, and what role it plays in the design. After entering that description, review it to make sure it's accurate and easy to understand. Once you're happy with it, you've successfully set up your optimized image block in Base44, ready for proper image handling and performance optimization as you continue building out your page.